Welcome to our journey through the timeless elegance of traditional interior design. Today, we're exploring the rich textures, classic forms, and deep history that make this style enduringly popular. Whether you're looking to design a space that feels like a warm embrace, or simply curious about the elements that define this aesthetic, you're in the right place. Traditional interior design style is all about warmth and comfort, combining rich colors, symmetry, classic lines, and detailed craftsmanship. It exudes elegance and order, drawn from European decor of the 18th and 19th centuries. Each piece tells a story, contributing to a sense of continuity and timelessness. In traditional design, the color palette sings with deep, saturated hues like burgundy, navy, and forest green, accented with touches of gold and cream. Materials are just as important, with wood, leather, and velvet featuring prominently. These choices reflect a commitment to quality and comfort. The furniture in a traditional setup isn't just placed, it's carefully arranged to create balance and harmony. Furniture in traditional interior design often includes curved lines, fine upholstery, and rich wood finishes. Think Chesterfield sofas, wingback chairs, and ornate coffee tables. The layout is symmetrical, creating a formal yet inviting space where each furniture piece is both functional and beautiful. Traditional interiors are adorned with an array of decorative accents that enhance the room's character. From crystal vases to bronze sculptures and oil paintings in gilded frames, each element is chosen to add a layer of visual richness and elegance. Textiles play a crucial role in traditional interiors. Fabrics like damask, silk, and chenille often feature floral, paisley, or plaid patterns, adding layers of texture and colour. These fabrics are used in everything from window treatments to throw pillows, enhancing the room's luxurious feel. Traditional interior design is more than just a style, it's a reflection of history, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. As we embrace these classic elements, we create spaces not just to live in, but to cherish and pass down through generations. Thank you for exploring the elegant world of traditional design with us today. Like, share and subscribe for more interior design styles. Thanks.